Have you been drawing your eyebrows like this? No, come let me show you the right way to do it. So the first thing you should know is that everybody have different kind of eyebrow. Some people's eyebrow are scanty, some are full, some are zigzag, some are curved. Different type of eyebrows, right? So all you need to do is to know the type that you have, or your clients or whoever. Then you go ahead and look for a sharp razor. This is actually the razor method. There are a lot of methods you can use to carve your eyebrow. You can use the thread, shaving cream, blades, whichever. So but for this, as you can see, we are using a sharp razor. I divided it into 4 pieces and I'm using just 1 piece of it. After carving out the lower part, you go ahead and then carve out the top part of the brow. As you can see, I'm not doing too much, though it depends on your preference. Some people don't like their brow thin, some like it full, some like it moderate, but I think it's better when it's not too full or not too large and also not too thin. So if you feel it's okay, you can leave it that way, or you can go ahead and just brush it down and cut out excess using a tiny little scissors. And this is basically it. This is how you carve your eyebrow. As you can see now, it's defined. Well, if your village people are following you or you have the spirit of add more, you can go ahead and carve it again and take out excess. But when you have something moderate, something good, just work with it. As you can see the difference between the carved and the uncarved. Then to fill in your brows, you look for a sharp pencil. This is in the color brown. It's a deep brown shade. Then you go ahead to create strokes. Just follow the format of the hairline. As you can see, I'm not going over the entire brow. I'm just filling in those spaces that have little to no brow. So this is how you go about a defined, natural looking brow. Okay, see how beautiful that is. If you want, you can just elongate it a bit to give it that definition. And that is just it. No concealer, no foundation, no drama. It just looks so beautiful, so natural and so divine. Did I just say divine? I wanted to say defined. If you want more definition, just like I've done there, you can just go ahead and just draw a tiny line just to make it look more defined. And that is it. You're good to go. Bye.